All right, thanks, Chris. Right now, some Midtown businesses are scrambling to clean up after a water main break caused a big mess. KCTV5's Brandon Richard is live at Westport and Roanoke. And Brandon, this has to be frustrating.
Yes, Ellen, it is frustrating. And for these business owners, this is something they're still going through. That sound that you hear in the background, that's a generator pumping water out right now as we speak. Now, the water department finally showed up about 4 hours after these Westport business owners say they called. The water was shut off, but when you walk into 825 Studios here, you can see how serious the situation is. They had to run to save a lot of their expensive equipment as water poured into their basement, but they were not able to save it all.
At least 20 to 30%. Thousands. We're looking at least probably $100,000 worth of equipment lost.
Jessica Chrisman says the water main broke around 11:30 this morning. She arrived at her business, 825 Studios, shortly after and found her basement flooded with almost 2 feet of water. A lot of the equipment she uses to run her music and film recording business destroyed. She says she called the city several times, but a crew did not show up until after we did, a little after 3 o'clock.
It's kind of disappointing that we call and say, hey, there's an emergency, we need you guys, and they're not here. So it's kind of disappointing.
Now, the water crew says it was a 6-inch line that broke. They shut the water off, but say it's going to take at least 3 more hours to fix it. Meanwhile, the 3 businesses damaged had to close today and cancel meetings with their clients. They also hired private contractors to pump all of that water out of their basement. Now, we called the city to ask what took so long. We're still waiting for a response. We're live in Westport. Brandon Richard, KCTV 5 News.
Brandon, thank you. About the same time that one was going on, another water main break sent water shooting into the air in Overland Park. Police tweeted this picture